Ẹ káàbọ̀. Hello everyone, pop quiz. What is good morning in Yoruba? Ẹ káàárọ̀. Perfect. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Remember to keep practicing and to rewatch other videos to keep these refreshers in your mind. Today we'll be going over days of the week. We have day in Yoruba, that is Ojo. Ojo. Day in Yoruba is Ojo. Sunday is Ojo Àìkú. Ojo Àìkú. Ojo Àìkú. Sunday. Monday in Yoruba is Ojo Ajé. Ajé. Ojo Ajé. Monday. Tuesday is Ojo Ìṣẹ́gun. Ojo Ìṣẹ́gun. Tuesday. Wednesday is Ọjọ́rú. Ọjọ́rú. Wednesday. Thursday is Ọjọ́bọ̀. Ọjọ́bọ̀. Thursday. Friday is Ọjọ́ Ẹtì. Saturday is Ọjọ́ Àbámẹ́ta. Ọjọ́ Àbámẹ́ta. Saturday. So, how do I learn all these and memorize them? I make it into a song. Àìkú Ajé Ìṣẹ́gun, Ọjọ́rú Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ẹtì Àbámẹ́ta. One more time. Àìkú Ajé Ìṣẹ́gun, Ọjọ́rú Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ẹtì Àbámẹ́ta. I always sing this song when I try to remember what day of the week it is. That way, it's easy for me, just like learning do, re, mi. It helps me to memorize this and to know what day of the week I am in. Try and memorize this as well to help. So how do you greet someone? Oh, happy Wednesday, for example. Remember our past episode 3 greetings? We have the honorific, then we have ku, the greeting, plus day of week, equaling Ẹ kú ọjọ́rú. Ẹ kú ọjọ́rú. Happy Wednesday. Ẹ kú ọjọ́rú. Ẹ kú ọjọ́rú. Subscribe, like, comment, and set the alarm notifications for videos every Wednesday morning. Thank you guys. Ó dàbọ̀. I'll see you next week. Bye.